So the girls are loving these spring twists on Pinterest, and so I'm finally here with the video to show you how I did it. Let's get into it. I started by dividing my hair into different sections, and then I went back and I separated into the rows. After that, I went back and I did the individual parts. So that's what it looks like with the pre-parting all over my head. So once that was finished, I took one piece of spring twist hair and I installed it like a regular box braid. I did about 3 to 4 rotations, and then I just split the hair in half and I just twisted it all the way down. Since the spring twist is very springy, it kind of holds itself at the end once you twist it all the way down. So this was day 1 progress. Unfortunately, I had to take my little sister to practice the same weekend I was doing my hair. So I just focused on the perimeter, I worked on the parts where I can just easily pull my hair back. And it's really funny because every time I do my hair, my parents need me to do something. But anyways, moving on to day 2, I finished the top part. I was just showing you the progress. Mind you, this was my first time doing spring twists, so I was just getting the feel for it. And again, I left the back out because it wasn't really important to me, but I finished it last. So here I'm just playing with my edges because when I'm new to a hairstyle, I have to get the whole look immediately. Like I need the visual, I need to see how it looks. But it's also good to like take out your edges and just do them when you can, because it also saves the breakage from the braids no matter what you're getting. And as you can see, I was feeling myself. Yes, it was turning out cute. Let's get back to it. I had to do a flip. Yes. But I did finish day 2, just showing you the overall look. I told you I finished the back. It was really fun. It would have took me at least a day or less to finish it, but like I said, I had to take my sister to practice. But I love this hair. It was fun, easy to do. Next time I'm gonna show a video of how I exactly installed it. So bye.